Get this? Don't hit yourself. Exactly.
Oh my god! Get that, dude! Oh my bro! You should have seen it! The fucking NPC just goes right out the cliff like